Hey guys, welcome to the VideoScribe Pro tutorials. You'll be learning a lot of VideoScribe tutorials. This is one of them. This is the beginning of your VideoScribe journey. I work with different softwares, and after VideoScribe has come in the market, I have always chose VideoScribe for making things work on the video side. So I'll walk you through everything whatever VideoScribe 3.0.3 has to offer, and there are lots of things which will really help with respect to VideoScribe 3.0.3 with respect to the older version, that is 2.3.6. I'll let you know all the things which works and which are really important. So to explain what VideoScribe is a unique way to create engaging animated videos quickly and easily. You're empowered to bring impact to a message without technical or design knowledge. You can create amazing marketing videos, instructional talks, add a visual to your talk or a story, bring illustrations to life, show text, logos or photos, and keep an audience motivated. It's mentioned that with just adding one of the videos by VideoScribe onto Crazy Egg, that's for heat maps, by adding just this, the ROI has increased by 2400% by just adding one VideoScribe tutorial. Let's jump in and understand what VideoScribe can do for you. And what's new with the Pro features: you can have a full HD output, you can have a fast rendering, use the output whole or part of it completely commercially, and will have no watermarks or branding. Use your own hands, you can add many hands, and output to QuickTime movie or flash video. You can create PNG, JPG images, sequences, all updates and upgrades as they come out. You can do all these. Everything is commercially usable. They have a big image library, music library, font library, and you can use the output as your own, and you can resell it as long as you have an active Pro account. Okay, so let's jump in and understand what a new scribe can do for us. I'll show a very quick tutorial how to create a video scribe. So with VideoScribe 3.03, so this is the VideoScribe white background. You can change a lot of things. You can change the preview, you can change a lot of things, like you can save it, you can do pictures, you can change the background of it, you can add music to it, you can add a voice over, you can add different pencils, you can have different hands, you can do a preview, all those things. So let's jump in and have some fun. So let's create this. I will say this is Bob. Okay, so let's go to what we can do with this particular thing and see what we will do. Okay, so if we preview, this is what we will have. So it will have drawing of Bob. Let's call this boy Bob, and we will reference it all over our video. This is Bob, and it will draw fully, and we can change how fast we want it, how slow we want it, everything with respect to that. Okay, let's do that. Let's jump in and change some things about Bob. Okay, alright, so this is it. So we will change how much time it has to take to draw Bob. Let's say we want it to be drawn within 5 seconds. We'll pause after this for about 2 seconds, and after that the transition time for moving it to the next slide after the pause will be 1 second. We'll keep it like this, and we'll see the preview how fast it draws with 5 seconds, and that's it. So now we have Bob. Okay, now let's move up. So if you have to move to the next slide, or if you have to move to the next white background, what you can do is you can just slide to the right, or you can slide up. Okay, so I want a part of Bob to be showing up, and now I will add text to this. Okay, and let's say, hi, this is Bob. He is sad that he has no money. He does not know how to make money online. Alright, so let's add this, and we can change all the fonts, whatever the fonts you want. You can click on manage fonts. You have a big library of fonts. Let me use Lato for this. I'll keep it in the center, and let's rock and roll. We can change the colors of the font. Let me keep it in red, and let's rock and roll. So this is Bob. Let's go to the preview. See, this is Bob. He is sad that he has no money. He does not know how to make money online. So we can change the properties of this. We can make it slower, we can make it fast, we can do all sorts of things. Drawing options, if we go here, it is showing 18 seconds. Let's make it 5 seconds. Okay, and we'll pause for 3 seconds after this. Transition, let it be 1 second. Let's preview how it looks. Hi, this is Bob. He said he has no money. He does not know how to make money online. Let's preview the whole thing. This is about it. So we have created our first scribe. Now let us save the scribe. We'll give a scribe name, Bob Money Solution, and I will save this. And what I can do is I can add the music. Let me add some music. Yeah, this is the music I'll add. Once we have this screen, we can click on download. We can download it to any of the movie sequences we want. We can keep it in AVI because AVI is the way we will use for our videos on YouTube. So it will render. Let's come back. This is our video. This is how it will look. So see you for lots of tutorials with VideoScribe. Keep subscribing and keep sharing the videos. For subscription of the VideoScribe, click the link below and buy your pro subscription today. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video.